In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use proper scale in AutoCAD drawings. Begin inside Model Space and start the Scale command by typing Scale or SC, then press Enter. Select the object or objects you want to resize and press Enter again to confirm your selection. At this point, AutoCAD asks for a base point. Pick a logical base point such as a corner, a midpoint, or the center of an object. This point stays fixed while the rest of the geometry scales around it. Choosing a consistent base point makes later alignments and placements much easier. Next, you'll enter a scale factor. If you want to make the object larger, type a number greater than 1. For example, entering 2 doubles the size. If you want to reduce the object, type a number less than 1. Typing 0.5 will make it half the size. Keep in mind that scaling affects all dimensions uniformly, so text and hatch patterns will also change unless you have annotative features or scale overrides in place. When you already know an actual measurement, you want the object to match. Use reference scaling. After starting the Scale command, type R and press Enter. Click 2 points that define the current length you want to change, then type the new desired length and press Enter. This method is especially useful when you need a line, door opening, or other element to be an exact real-world size without calculating the scale factor manually. Once the objects are sized correctly in Model Space, switch to a Layout tab, also known as Paper Space, to prepare for plotting. Create or select a viewport by typing MV or MVU, or simply click the viewport boundary if one already exists. With the viewport active, set the viewport scale by clicking its boundary and locating the scale option. You can find this in the status bar at the bottom right of the screen or in the Properties palette. Choose a standard scale like 150, or add a custom scale if your project requires it. If you add a custom scale, name it clearly so it's easy to reuse. Finally, check your drawing units to make sure everything aligns with your plotted scale. Confirm whether your drawing units are millimeters, inches, or another unit, and verify that one drawing unit corresponds to the intended measurement on paper for your chosen scale. For example, one drawing unit equals 1 millimeter for a 1:1 setup. A quick unit and scale check before printing avoids costly mistakes and saves time. Follow these steps and your drawings will print at the correct size, with objects and annotations appearing as expected on the final sheet.